Hello and welcome back to the course on machine learning. This is a quick tutorial to update you on how to download the dataset for this section. If you've seen this tutorial before, then feel free to skip it. However, if you're jumping into this course, into this section directly, just because you perhaps needed to learn this specific machine learning algorithm, then make sure to go back and first complete the data pre-processing section, because you will need that throughout this section as well. And you'll also need the machine learning template folder, which we're going to use just now. So in order to get the dataset for this section, you need to go to www.superdatascience.com/machine learning. Machine learning is spelled with a hyphen in between, two words with a hyphen. And then you'll see this whole page dedicated specifically to this course, and all the datasets for this course are available on this page. And so let's say that today you want to do the k-nearest neighbor algorithm section. Of course, it is most likely a different section. I'm just going to use this one as an example, but just go ahead and find your section on this page and then perform the same exact steps, and you will see how to download and install the dataset. So I'm going to do it for the k-nearest neighbors algorithm section. So just go ahead and click and download that dataset. It should download pretty quickly, unless it's one of those larger datasets that we also have in this course. Then you have the dataset here, and we already have the machine learning A to Z folder, which we created or downloaded from the data pre-processing section. So now we're going to take this, we're going to open the folder. We're going to go to into the part which this algorithm relates to. Then we'll find the algorithm, there it is, k-nearest neighbors. And then we'll take this folder, this dataset folder, and we'll drag it in here. Now we're going to unarchive this folder. So I'm going to say right-click extract here. If you get this macOS folder, sometimes it appears, then you don't really need it. Everything is in the normal folder, so you can get rid of the macOS folder and you can get rid of the zip folder now. And also with the k-nearest neighbors, you just need to take all of the files and copy them into this folder here. So we don't need this another level of hierarchy, so you can now delete it. So basically what you should be left with is machine learning A to Z, then the part that the algorithm is in, then the section that you are interested in, and then this is where all the files should be stored. So here you'll have some Python and R templates, and you'll also have the dataset. That's the one that you will need in this section of the course. So there we go. It's a very straightforward process. And the beauty of it is, if you use our machine learning A to Z template folder, which we provide at the start of the course, you will end up with a very structured set of folders which contain your datasets, and you will build them up as you go through the course, and therefore you'll have the whole library and it will be nicely and neatly organized. I hope you enjoyed today's session and have fun on the practical tutorials, and I'll see you here next time. Until then, enjoy machine learning.